Now, if you watch my previous video, I talk about Eroxon, which is marketed as an instant erection gel that was thought to work within 10 minutes. As I explained, Eroxon works by a warm and cooling effect, which stimulates the release of nitric oxide, which leads to erection of the penis. However, a few men had complained, or rather, many men had complained that Eroxon simply does not work. And is there an alternative erection gel that they can use? Well, there is an alternative erection gel called Vitaros. Now, Vitaros comes as a cream. It contains the ingredient called Alprostadil. Alprostadil is a prostaglandin, which again stimulates the release of nitric oxide, which causes dilation of the blood vessels and increases the flow of blood to the penis, which leads to erection. Alprostadil is only available on prescription, so you cannot get Alprostadil over the counter or Vitaros cream over the counter. Vitaros cream can only be applied once in a 24-hour period. So how is Vitaros used? Well, Vitaros can be used 5 to 30 minutes before intercourse, and it has an applicator where basically you apply the cream into the opening of the penis, and this is necessary in order for the cream to work. So within 30 minutes of applying the cream, you'll be expected to have an erection, and if you want to use the cream again, you have to wait another 24 hours. Vitaros can only be used 2 to 3 times a week. It is thought to last up to an hour or even as long as a couple of hours. However, as we know, this is all subjective and differs from one man to the other, and there are several factors involved. Vitaros also has side effects such as burning, tingling sensation, numbness, swelling, irritation of the skin of the penis. So you have to be careful when applying Vitaros and maybe do a tester first before applying the whole cream. Vitaros claims that 52% of men have had satisfaction with the gel. When I've looked at user websites, Vitaros had an average of 4 out of 5. However, like I said, Alprostadil or Vitaros cream is not readily available. It's only available on prescription, probably in some countries. And also think about the psychological aspect of it, whether you might need psychosexual counseling. Now, I hope you found this video useful. Please feel free to share, like, and subscribe.